We're going to start with California quarter. Nice. If anybody wants to see what these look like when they're finished, tap the little shopping cart down here. And there's a good chance TikTok is giving you a coupon. The best way to check and see if you got a coupon is to tap the shopping cart, see if you got one. If anyone has any questions, feel free to put them in the chat. And if you're enjoying the live, tap the screen a couple times. Go to the ring stretcher. Very nice. I'm going to go back over here. Make it smaller. Hey, we got an order. Let's go. If you haven't checked out the product yet, tap the shopping cart on the bottom of the screen. These are rings made from state quarters. They're all handmade to order. And yeah, if you have any questions, put them in the chat. Thanks for watching. The issue with earrings is you need two. So for every coin ring I make, there's one center punch. So I have to make stuff where just one thing is required. So I do make these into like keychains and necklaces, and you can find those when you order through the link in my profile. But here on TikTok, I have to kind of keep it simple. So it's just the ring for now. But yeah, they do make decent earrings. It just requires me to use 2 coins to get there. But I'm not saying it's a bad idea. I just got to figure out the logistics of it. Guys, I think I'm going to have to hop off of here. If you haven't yet, hit the follow button. And hope the rest of your day is awesome. We'll catch you guys next time. Peace.